I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin daily chart, we've got this falling wedge. At some point, there's a 68% chance this breaks to the upside, but it might be all the way down here at 15,000 or lower. Now, you've kind of got this double bottom and a bull flag. I mean, potentially Bitcoin's trying, as long as this key support holds, I mean, Bitcoin's trying to work back up to this resistance. You got this 200 simple moving average coming in here. I mean, does Bitcoin break the 200 simple moving average on the first attempt? Normally, no. And so this resistance is something to be dealt with. So if you do get a move higher, you're wondering, okay, do you take profits here? Now, completely normal to think you get another touch on the bottom lower trend line here, and then you get some sideways price action over time, and it takes this market some time to heal. Okay, you can definitely pick up some good trades in here. These small caps have been banging, and we've been doing very well on Kucoin. Now, this is little pump action today. You saw Bitcoin, nice, I mean, again, small pump from 1667 to 17,200. So again, small pump, but the important part, it broke above this level and it broke above this level, and now it's back testing this level as support. So you got to break above this level right here to get up here to 17,700. This is the big test for the bulls, but they're trying to work on putting price action to the upside in. And it's just exciting to see even the smallest green candle in this bear market. Now, we talked about yesterday how the price action, Bitcoin CME futures, was in this rising wedge, broke to the downside and lost this key support level. Now it's broken back above resistance, but you still have this level here. Can it break above 17,400? And if not, this would be a lower high, and you could see move to the downside based on that. You don't, whenever you see a lower high, that's kind of a sell signal. Okay, so if you do lose this key resistance after breaking it, this is a bull trap, so be prepared for this idea. I've got some amazing shout outs to give on my trading group. This person, he made $2,300 on one trade. This person's been in the group for, shout out to Albert, for a year, and he's doubled his money. This person, he's back and forth, and that's just how trading is, right? He 6 months ago, he had 11,000, turned it to 24,000, had a dip, went to 7,000, 18,000. Shout out to this person. He joined the group, started trading about 6 months ago, had $11,000. Now he's got $72,000. We find the bangers. You've got to be in the right coin. That's all there are, period. I had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto, and an additional $100 off. I'm going to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This was a video I made about Trust Wallet, TWT. Everybody was kind of scared about they're terrified about keeping coins on exchanges, and Trust Wallet made sense, and you had a perfect triangle. Posted this, and the Trust Wallet exploded. And we'll scroll down here, and you can see it's up 32% since I gave it to you guys previously. Banger Central. Now, tons of news today. So WooX, so WOO on Binance. WooX is proud to announce the first of its kind live transparency dashboard. It's a major step that exceeds the current standards in CeFi, centralized exchanges, and TradeFi. Now traders can monitor risk in real time with liability reporting updated every 15 minutes. So gives you a lot of clarity on what's going on behind the scenes. Alameda Bakkt Ren warns users of losses as it plans to wind down version 1.0. So make sure pay attention to this idea. Also, I want to talk to you about Waves. Waves backed stablecoin USDN drops further after regulator warning and exchange delisting. So Waves price and its USDN stablecoin lost value after the Digital Asset Exchange Association issues a caution notice and Upbit Exchange delists the token. Look at Waves, definitely broke to the downside, huge volume break, but I mean, you had a rising wedge, 68% chance of a break to the downside. Now the stablecoin, I can't say, but I'm sure it dumped pretty crazy. But this kind of reminds me of like Luna, USD. Whenever you're backing stablecoins with the value of the actual coins, like it's an app disaster. Is hodl 2. We talked about this exact idea over the past few days, and we said, hey, this could be shoulder, head, shoulder. Now it's failed. So it's coming up here to this level. If it gets rejected, you're seeing more downside out of altcoins. That's simple. Top 125 altcoins. Here's the stock market. ES1, you're at make or break right here, because this thing loses this level and there's some downside. Now you've got the Fed coming out. Well, first CPI is coming out on the 13th. Fed's coming out on the 14th with their rate hike. Everybody's hoping, the hopium is a 50 basis point rate hike, and potentially you could see some type of bear market rally, or is it already priced in? And so we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that idea. This is something you've got to pay attention to. This is the DXY. This is the key weekly support level. Previous resistance, previous support, previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance. Now this is support. Okay, so understand, when the dollar, the DXY, when the dollar bounces, bad for stocks, bad for crypto. So again, you want to see this, and this is a weekly chart. It's going to take some time to play out. If this thing bounces, not amazing for stocks and crypto. This thing breaks lower, you'll see more upside out of stocks and crypto. Bitcoin dominance is in a rising wedge, and how small this rising wedge is, right? It's not, the downside target isn't very low, but if you do get a break to the downside, you do see some good altcoin trading. Litecoin has been my gauge. This is how I've been gauging a lot of the trades. Understand that Litecoin broke out to the upside after Bitcoin's price move, but does it continue higher? And again, based on the size of this channel, do you see a move to $80 out of Litecoin? OP, we've been watching it extended period of time. This thing broke out earlier, posted in group. You've got a great bull pennant, and I mean, you could see $1.20 if Bitcoin doesn't play out, Bitcoin doesn't cooperate, if Bitcoin rolls over. Forget this, right? If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.